2011 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.0 liter V8. Still got the stock Cali converters there and there. Then it's widened to a single with a resonator. He didn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on there, or mid muffler, or whatever you guys want to call it. Then it's 3-inch to a 2 1/4 tailpipes, all the way back into 4-inch tips. Right here, and right there, rolled edge. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2011 Ford F-150 5.0 liter XL. Still got the stock factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals all the way back, and we did it in 2-inch so it can clap, and we dumped it right there with dump downs, turn downs, whatever you want to call them, right there. And you always want to do that crossover to make up for that, for the pipe, because one will be shorter than the other, but when you cross them over like that, it equalizes the length and gives a more smooth sound, complete sound. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's the stock muffler that comes on those. Huge beast. Hope you guys like it. Hold on, D. That's beast mode to the max right there. Hell yeah. Back it up. Yeah, baby. Ford F-150 right there.